Imagine owning a business with no overhead, no inventory, not even a designer or developer needed. One that makes you money while you sleep. Now, what if I told you that you can launch that business and have it live in a single day? I'm gonna teach you how to do just that by building a real digital product and getting it live using Claude Chat, Design, and Cowork, all while still full of soul, not generic AI slop. Let's do it. First thing, let's meet the tools we're working with today. Claude Chat, Claude Design, and Claude Cowork. If that already sounds overwhelming to you, don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna walk through all of these and just make it super simple. You can think of these as employees who in the past would have cost you like 3 salaries. Claude Chat is the regular chat you already know. It'll serve as a writer and thinker, basically like your assistant. Claude Design is, no surprise, your designer, turning your words into polished, on-brand visuals in minutes. And last, but definitely not least, Claude Cowork is your builder. You tell it what you want, and it will create a plan for you to approve, and then go out and do it for you. We're gonna work mainly in chat and design to start. If you're the go-getter type who wants to work smarter, not harder, stay tuned because there's a Cowork move I'll share later in this video that levels this whole thing up. Okay, let's get to what you're actually creating today. Chapter 2, how to correctly set your price. Before touching any of our tools, you need to answer 2 questions. What are you selling and what are you pricing it? A great way to figure this out is to ask yourself, what do your friends ask you for advice on the most? For example, mine's a local guide, something I'd put together for friends who kept asking me for the best places to hang out. Digital products can be anything. Course, a template, family recipes, printable art, or an ebook. Think of it as something you're great at that other people would pay to shortcut. And guys, here's the real trick. Have one specific buyer persona in mind, like an actual client that you're picturing. Determine the exact kind of person who'd want this and what they'd get for buying it. Once you can picture that person clearly, you're in great shape. When it comes to pricing, you can scan Etsy and Google for similar products, or give Claude Chat a description of what you're thinking and let it do the market research for you. I'm gonna price my ebook at $9.99, which is enough to feel real, but low enough to still be an impulse buy. Next, let's set up our brand. Chapter 3, how to create your brand in Claude Design. This is a major tip and a step a lot of people skip. It's how you make sure your work doesn't come out generic. You know, the thing that literally everyone on the internet hates right now. But before you do any design work, you need to build a branding guide for Claude to work off of, which is basically a cheat sheet of your brand's colors, fonts, and style, so everything you make is gonna look consistent. So here's what you're gonna do. Pop over to Claude Design at claude.ai/design, click Design System, then set up your design system. From there, you'll upload your brand colors, fonts, and photography. If this is your first time building a brand, do not worry. You can add photos, Pinterest inspiration images, or just describe the vibe you're going for, like writing earthworm tones or minimalist pastels. Claude Design turns all of that into a guide that every asset you make after this is gonna automatically pull from. All you have to do is click your design template before starting a new prompt. Chapter 4, how to write a digital product with Claude. So now let's get to the fun part. And if, like me, you're an artist at heart, you're gonna wanna make this full of soul and not some generic AI product. So here's how to do that. In Claude Design, attach your design system and describe what you're building. And tell it to ask you any clarifying questions before it starts. Before you hit send, go ahead and dump in your messy notes, half-finished lists, photos, note app rants, literally whatever you've got. Just drag and drop it all in, and then hit go. Now here's the part only you can do. Think of yourself as the creative director. Once Claude Design has built something, go back through and give notes, adjust the copy, tweak formats, add your own photos, anything that really makes it yours. This is worth spending some real time on because it's what takes a product from AI machine built to artist made. And just like that, you have your first digital product ready to go. Now it's time to figure out how to sell it. Chapter 5, how to write sales copy with Claude. Let's switch over to our second tool, Claude Chat, to write our sales copy. I went ahead and found some sales pages I think have great language, screenshotted them, and then dropped them into Claude Chat. And just remember, these don't need to be from your niche or industry, just sales pages that really land for you. From here, write a prompt asking Claude to break down the format and structure of why this copy works, and then turn those learnings into a PDF. Now drop your product into the same chat and ask Claude to identify who's actually buying this, what they're stuck on, what they get once they have it. Tell it to reference the PDF and write out the product description. Remember, guys, the secret to selling anything is really simple. Focus on the value your buyer walks away with. Once it's done, try reading it out loud. If a line sounds like, "a robot wrote it," tell Claude to make it sound like you're talking to a friend. That's really the difference between AI slop and something with actual heart. So keep going until it really sounds like you. Major bonus tip here, hang on to that learnings PDF and reuse it with Claude for every sales page you write from here on out. Chapter 6, make your product look irresistible. Before we get this sellable, let's get your visuals ready. Back in Claude Design, prompt it to create a cover image and a few product graphics for a sales page. Basically the images your buyers will actually see on your listing. You can again direct it like an art director here, with things like, make this feel warmer, or this needs more energy. Once it looks right, go ahead and save those images because you're gonna need them in a second. Chapter 7, how to accept payments for your digital product on Shopify. A great product with nothing to sell it on is just a file. So this is where it all comes together and officially makes your business a real business. It's my favorite part of the video. Head to your Shopify admin, and if you don't have an account yet, there is a link to a free trial below that you can use to get started right away. Now, once you're in your Shopify admin, you'll add your product, paste in the description you just wrote with Claude, and upload the cover image and graphics from Claude Design. Under shipping, go ahead and uncheck "This is a physical product." That tells Shopify it's digital, so there's no shipping address to collect. Then set your price, and you're almost there. For delivery, you'll want to add a digital downloads app from Shopify's App Store. Pick one that works best for you, upload your file, link it to that product we just built, and now, the second someone pays, they get a secure download link automatically. Don't worry, you don't have to email a file at midnight because someone made a purchase while you were asleep. See? I told you in the intro I'd teach you how to make money while you sleep. And that's it. One page, live, ready to sell. Your page just became a real working business. Chapter 8, test it before you tell a single soul. All right, friends, one last thing before you go live, and please do not skip this. Place a real test order on your own store and make sure that the email with the download link actually lands in your inbox with the right file. Better safe than sorry, right? Since most of your buyers will be on their phone, it's worth checking it there too. Basically, test first, then get loud. Bonus tip, level up with Claude Cowork. Now it's time for that major bonus tip I promised you, a full level up using Claude Cowork. You'll head to claude.com/download and grab the desktop app. Open it up and click the Cowork tab. Compile everything we worked on today, from the digital product to the PDF to any of your messy notes, all in one folder. Then point Cowork to that folder and ask it to build your entire launch package. A full strategy, your announcement email, social captions, and a content calendar. It plans the sequence, you approve it, and it executes the whole thing. Your full launch strategy is done while you make a cup of tea. If you want to learn more about Cowork, comment below and we'll make a full video on it. Okay, congrats! Your idea is now a real digital product with a real checkout that can accept payments. If you loved this video, check out this one to keep learning and growing with our Learn with Shopify crew. And subscribe below so you don't miss what's next. My name is Margaret, and I'll see you soon, builders.